Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Himanshi Chaudhary and I would love if you take a moment to subscribe to my channel below. So guys, today's video is about a small earring haul. Today I'm going to show you my collection. So if you like it, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, comment down your views and please subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So guys, my first pair of earrings are these cute little heart earrings. I got these from Urban for rupees 70 I guess. So coming to the next one is a blue pair of earrings. I got this from Lajpat Nagar for rupees 50. It has a mang tika as well and I got it for my lehenga. Or coming to the next one are these beautiful peacock earrings. Type of, you can say it's a silver jewelry and it goes great with a plain black suit. So guys, next one are these falling leaf earrings. I got these from Sarojini Nagar for rupees 20 or 30. So guys, next one are these silver jewelry earrings. I got these from Lajpat Nagar for rupees 50 and I love silver jewelry. Like such big earrings go so well with the boha outfit. So coming to the next one is also a silver jewelry which goes well with kurtis and suits. Also I got this from Sarojini and for rupees 20 I guess. Coming to the next one is a pair of golden earrings which go nice with a long dress or a party wearing dress. Also I got these from Amar Colony for rupees 70 I guess. So the next one are the cute little hearts again, but they are a smaller one. I have a piece of necklace or basically a pendant with them. Next one is the basic black bangle earring which I guess every girl would have, either black or either silver or maybe these days golden also come. So these are for rupees 10 I guess, which I got from Ellen. Also these which go well with a kurti or a suit like daily wear. Also I got these from Lajpat Nagar for rupees 30. Next one is a feather earring. It's blue in color. I got it from Lajpat Nagar with my suit. These 20. Next one again, it's a type of silver jewelry which I bought from Lajpat Nagar. I got all my earrings from Lajpat Nagar or Sarojini Nagar because they are the go-to shopping places. So also these are for 30 I guess, and these go well with a suit, like a black suit. These are also a part of silver jewelry which I love and I wear them with most of my kurtis and it goes well with them. Also this is for rupees 30 from Sarojini Nagar again. So coming to the next part of the video are these small earrings which you wear like chote wale earrings. So I have it all here. So I didn't get a thing like this to put every earring or every bud in this. So I got a sponge and put it all in at one place. And there are many, like there are flowers, bow, chappal, guitar, or I made these from buds and these from quilling, or I have hearts here, stars. There are many different shapes. I love to collect earrings like this and any type of earring basically. So that's all for today's video.